કે આપણને આવો સરસ સત્સંગ મળી ગયો. વી આર વેરી ફોર્ચ્યુનેટ દેટ વી આર ઇન ધીસ સત્સંગ. પછી સ્વામી સેઝ, આ સાધુનું ગમતું કરવું એ તો નેવાનું પાણી મોભે ચડાવવા જેવું કઠણ છે. સો સ્વામી સેઝ ટુ do everything what Gunatitanand Swami wants us to do is very difficult, is very challenging, and in Gujarati there is a saying that in the rainy season when water falls down from the roof and goes down to the ground, can somebody make that water go down from the ground back to the roof? To make the water go down from the ground to the roof is very difficult. So, the whole worldly affairs are by the gravity going down. Gunatitanand Swami says we are going to work against the gravity and lift you up to Akshardham. અમે તમને જો બધું નીચે ભાગતું જાય છે એમાંથી ઊંચે ઉઠાવીને અક્ષરધામમાં લઈ જવાના છે. એટલે એ વાત તો બધી અઘરી પડે. ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી ડિફિકલ્ટ. બટ સ્વામી ઓલ્સો સેઝ દેટ મહારાજ અને આ સાધુ કોઈ દિવસ આવ્યા નથી. આવો આવો. હેપી બર્થડે ઇન્દિરાબેન. તમારી બર્થડે કિરણબેન. સરસ સરસ બેન, હેપી બર્થડે. જો તમારી બર્થડે માટે કેક રાખીશ કાપવાની. લાવો છો તો પહેલાં કાપો. આવો. કાલે ઇન્ડિયા જવાના, રાઈટ. સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય. હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે ડિયર કિરણબેન, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે ડિયર કિરણબેન, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. બાર બાર દિન યે આયે, બાર બાર દિલ યે ગાયે, બાર બાર દિન યે આયે, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल हमारे साथ सदा साक्षात, यही है मेरी आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, Happy birthday dear Kiranben, happy birthday to, happy birthday dear Kiranben, happy birthday to you. સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય. ભાવેશ, તને મળી બેટા? લીધું એન્વેલપ? પૂજામાં નીચે અંડરનીથ ધી ફ્લાવર્સ બેટા, અંડરનીથ દેટ પૂજા ફ્લાવર્સ. ભાવેશભાઈ એન્વેલપ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો દેર. ચાલો મહારાજ અંદર આવો બેટા, ભગવાન અંદર આવો પેલા. એ મહારાજ સ્વામિનારાયણ. સરસ જાત્રા થાય અશોકભાઈ, અને અમે પાછા ત્યાં તમને મળીએ. બરોડા આવીએ ત્યારે. યા સરસ. સરસ બધાના ભગવાન. હજી જો સ્વામીની વાતોમાં સ્વામી કહે છે જે સાધુ હશે, જય સ્વામિનારાયણ, હેપી બર્થડે બેન, જે સાધુ હશે તે જ સાધુ કરશે. આ સાધુનું ગમતું કરવું એ તો નેવાનું પાણી મોભે ચડાવ્યા જેવું કઠણ છે. મહારાજ અને આ સાધુ કોઈ દિવસ આવ્યા નથી. સ્વામી કહે છે મહારાજ અને આ સાધુ ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી અક્ષરધામમાંથી પહેલી વખત આવ્યા છે, ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ. ઓલ ધીસ બિલિયન્સ ઓફ યર્સ ઓફ હિસ્ટ્રી, સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાન and Gunatitanand Swami says, we have not come to this earth before with our extraordinary programs. This time we have come. અમે આ વખતે આવ્યા જ છીએ. સો ને બધો જ નવો ઉઠાવ છે. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ઓલ ન્યૂ પ્રોસિજર, ઓલ ધીસ ઇમ્પ્રુવડ ન્યૂ પ્રોસિજર. સાથી તો કહે છે કે અક્ષરધામની આ તરફના ને આ જ્ઞાન પચ પડતું નથી. ધોઝ હુ આર below the Akshardham level, those who have been within the Prakriti and Purush, they cannot digest this Gunatit knowledge, It is very difficult to digest, So, they are not understanding it, they are not appreciating it, and they are taking the opposition to that, And it was happening in, Swaminarayan Bhagwan's time, Gunatitanand Swami's time, Because anything new, our nature is that we will not accept right away, In English they say resistance to change factor. There is a factor that we always have a resistance to change. Because whatever our habits are, they are part of us, Even good habits and bad habits, Bad habits are also difficult to remove, And good habits are also difficult to change also, But it is good to have a good habits. Once we have good habits, then they would remain with us for a long time, And that is what that slogan says, resistance to change. But even in good habits, Gunatitanand Swami says that if there is a better habit than that good habit, we should change. But our sattvic nature is such that it will not allow us to change, We would say, I'm doing okay, I'm doing fine, Why are you telling me to change? Right? But when a new dimension, new vision comes, then we have to understand and accept the change, કંઈક નવી વસ્તુ આવે તો આપણે એવું માનતા હોઈએ કે હું બધું સારું જ કરું છું, તો પણ આપણે બદલાવવું જોઈએ, આપણે એમાં ફેરફાર કરવો જોઈએ. જો એ ફેરફાર કરીએ તો આપણે વધારે સુખ્યા થઈ જાય. એક જસ્ટ એન એક્ઝામ્પલ, કે કોઈને ગળ્યું ખાવાની ટેવ હોય, somebody has a habit to eat sweets. જ્યારે યુવાન હોય તે વખત તો એને ગળાનો વાંધો ના આવે એનો, પણ પછી જેમ ઉંમર થતી જાય અને પછી જો ગળ્યું ખાવાની ટેવ રાખે અને કોઈક એને કેમ કે ભાઈ તું આ ગળ્યું ખાવાનું બંધ કર, તો કે હું આટલા વર્ષોથી ગળ્યું ખાઉં છું ભાઈ, તમે કેમ ના પાડો છો એનો? સો somebody would disagree that I don't want to quit eating sweets, I have habit for many years now. But when doctor says, that there is a reason that we took your blood report and your sugar is reading 400, 500, Now, it's bad news, right? So somebody says, if sugar is better, then it's good. If my reading is 400 and 500, isn't that good, More sugar, more sweet I am, We lose sight, we become blind soon also. So when we learn something, even though it is good habit, but it is not beneficial to us, and something better than that, we have to change, I remember when I was young in high school, there was one uncle in our town, in our street. He was not educated, and he would think that earth is flat. You keep walking, it looks flat, So we told him, that we learned in our school, that earth is round, spherical. And also earth is rotating, So we told him these two things, that earth is round and earth is rotating. He says, get out from here. In the morning, my bed is not falling down, upside down, You are just telling me, something I cannot accept, cannot believe, But in old time, the churches were also with this belief, right? Earth is flat, earth is not round, And there were some scientists, they were punished that if they say that earth is round, right? So that is understanding. Now, yes, on a large scale, earth looks flat, and we accept that earth is flat. But when we have a new truth, when we have a new wisdom, we have to accept that wisdom, એમ સત્સંગની અંદર પણ અત્યાર સુધી એવું સમજણ હતી કે તપ કરવા જવું જોઈએ અથવા તો દાન કરવું જોઈએ અથવા તો રાત્રે ઉજાગરા કરવા જોઈએ, These are all good things, But what is the fruit of that, By doing the penance, by donations, by staying up whole night, what is the fruit of that? To please the God. ભગવાનને રાજી કરવા માટે આપણે બધું કરીએ છીએ, રાઈટ? હવે નાવ એના એ જ ભગવાન ધારિક સંતો આપણા ઘરે આવે. When the saints, those who have God within their heart, they come to our home and we don't take care of them, and we tell them that you wait here, until my things are done, until my puja and everything is done, then I will give you the breakfast, So, we have missed the boat. Many years ago, our Kusum men came from India, and then Kakaji came to our home. So in the morning we would be doing, puja and giving bath to Bhagwan's Murti and all that, So when Kakaji came, Kusumben put that on the side and first gave breakfast and everything, to Kakaji, And then Kusumben was saying this to whoever was coming, satsang is also there, that when such Gunatit saint comes, then our priority should change and we should make them first priority, But our habit will not be allowing us, કે હજુ તો ભાઈ નયા નથી, એમના માટે ચા કેમ નહીં મુકાય, નાહી ધોઈને ચા મૂકવાની હોય, બધા નિયમો હોય દરેકના, એવરીબડી હેઝ સર્ટન સ્ટાઇલ, પણ તે બધું બાજુમાં મૂકી દઈને એમને જે જોઈતું હોય આપીએ તો એ રાજી થઈ જાય, અંતરથી રાજી થઈ જાય. They will be happy from within, and that is the learning from this satsang, Even Gunatitanand Swami himself in the mandir would wake up in the morning and without even doing brush or taking shower, he would be talking about our crude nature and how to eradicate our crude nature, So other sadhus, that they have taken the bath, they would criticize Gunatitanand Swami, that you are remembering all these negativities from the morning rather than praying to God, Gunatitanand Swami would be laughing, that if you do not recognize the negativity within yourself, then it would remain within you and it would not make you happy, So to make your day, we are trying to give you this injection of understanding right in the morning, so that the whole day goes very good, Our Pankaj Bhai in the morning, makes everybody, tune on the conference line. And he starts with the bhajan, nice bhajan, and then, all this program, So the whole day goes very well, So this kind of understanding, Gunatitanand Swami says, is new. It is elevated understanding, But if we don't accept that, then we will not gain it, So Swami says that this knowledge is beyond this realm of this universe. It is above and beyond the universe. But we have come here and you are benefiting from that, And if you will apply that in your life, you will be very elevated and happy. And then the last thing Swami says, that all these incarnations who came down on this earth, they have come with their limited power and limited understanding, and they have never elevated anybody to the abode of Akshardham. They would say that whatever is the liking that I am doing, you do it, which is also natural, that, whoever is the incarnation who comes down, comes with their understanding, But Gunatitanand Swami says their understanding is limited. It is not as powerful as this understanding of Akshardham, And we are seeing, in the satsang also, that those who have that kind of elevated understanding, they have become Brahma Swarup, They have become very elevated entities. Bhagaji Maharaj, who was from the very common caste, from the tailor caste, In India, tailor caste is not considered, high caste, right? But he totally committed himself that whatever Gunatitanand Swami says, I will not argue. I will just do it and say yes. Yesterday we were talking here, and our Amy was telling, that whole essence of Mahabharata, Normally Murari Bapu said Gita, Gita is made up of 700 sloks. Mahabharata is made up of 100,000 sloks, But Gita is part of Mahabharata, So, to give a bigger, picture, she says, in whole Mahabharata, Lord Krishna told Arjun to say only one thing. Yes. તમે જો હા પાડતા શીખી જાઓ તો કામ થઈ જાય એનું. આખા મહાભારતનું એસેન્સ ઇઝ હા, યસ, રાઈટ. So, it is the same way Bhagaji Maharaj lived that way, એ ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામીની કોઈ વાતમાં ના જ નહીં, હા જ બસ. ગમે તેવું કામ સોંપે. હા. One time, they were building the temple, the lodge for staying people in Junagadh. And in the morning, Gunatitanand Swami told Bhagaji Maharaj that get 100 shovels, to shovel the dirt, Now, Mandir had capacity of only 20, 25, Naturally, somebody would argue, saying that, how can I get 100, right? Bhagaji Maharaj did not argue, He went in the town and talked to different devotees and said, okay, bring your shovel and come, bring your shovel and come. So not only 100 shovels, but he brought 100 people also. Seeing that, Gunatitanand Swami was very happy. See. It's all our mind, Either we agree or we doubt. If we agree, then things will work out, in our best way, But sometimes, there are challenges also, But I have prayed to Kakaji, back in 1986, that don't give us a challenging job, Give us the job where we get 100% marks, Yeah. So we are all lucky, that Kakaji is not going to give us very challenging job, It's going to be at least to our capacity. આપણાથી થશે એટલું જ કાકાજી કરવાના છે, આપવાના છે આપણને. Today I was talking in India with one of the devotee, and આપણા પેલા હરીશભાઈ ખરા, દેવહૂતિબેન ને હરીશભાઈ. Yeah. આપણે 7મી તારીખ on Bhajan Sandhya, 7મી તારીખ Bhajan Sandhya, that Vijay Swami was making everybody to have Garba or, Ras. So in there, I saw their daughter, Nishita. So I was thinking about calling her in a couple of days, So I called, and she was saying that, yeah, I was thinking also, to say Happy New Year and all that, But anyhow, when we were talking, Devhuti Ben, she was saying, that now she goes to everyday Mahapuja in Mandir. And she's enjoying a lot. Not only that, but now she wants to join in the yoga classes to become a teacher and teach the others, So I said, look, you are going there and you are benefiting all that, And they have still challenges, their business and other things are, still not moving as they like to move, But I told their daughter, that if you would have all the amenities, if you were a millionaire and billionaire to start with, would you have come in this satsang this way? She said, no. So I said, these problems and challenges are the grace, right? Yeah, it is the blessings in disguise, But sometimes we look the other way, that why my problems are not going away, Well, problems will go away, once you are confirmed that you will be very, much stable in the satsang, then problems will go away, right? નહીં તો ભગવાન નવો નવો કંઈક ઊભો રાખે છે આપણા માટે, આપણને આગળ લેવા માટે, પણ એવું માનવું કેટલું બધું અઘરું છે, It's very difficult to, understand that way. But if we have a positive mind, if we have a positive thinking, then every challenge becomes a stepping stone. આપણી દરેક ચેલેન્જ છે એ આપણા માટે સીડી બની જાય, પણ it all depends within us how we want to, look at it, how we want to take a look, So that Nishita, their daughter, was also saying, that her parents are not still happy and all that, So I told her that you have to become the lawyer of our satsang, She says, I don't understand. What do you mean by that, So I say, whenever your mom complains, then you tell her to do the dhoon, rather than side with her and saying that, yeah, mom, you are really bad and sick. You not bad in the sense bad, but you are not feeling well, and you are sick, Instead, you tell your mom that, mom, let's do some prayer and dhoon, We will get the results in our favor, And prayer and dhun is a very powerful medication also, We have to apply that in our life to understand and learn that, Just like we go to the doctor and we trust the doctor, right? Right? That our headache will go away, right? But in our pharmacy, when they have a new pill, they test on people and they give some people placebo. Placebo means not the same tablet, Right? It's a blank tablet, nothing in there, And doctor would say that take this tablet and your headache will go. And we still take it, right? We still trust that doctor, Doctor knows that this is a placebo. He is lying, he is cheating, But we believe in him, right? And there are cases that some of those people have their headache gone just by the trust, But when they do the survey, they take like 1,000 people, Out of 1,000, they give maybe 500 people real tablet and 500 people fake tablet, Then they experiment that out of 500 people real tablet, how many headache is gone. So if 499 is gone, and then out of fake tablet, only 10 is gone, then they use that tablet as a now certified tablet, that tablet works, Here also, in Mahapuja, in prayers also, there are those who have faith. It works with them, And then there are those who are not faithful, not trustworthy, In there, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, Right? If it works, then they would become faithful, If it doesn't work, then they would say that, okay, this is no good, So, that's how these statistics goes, So we have to fall into that faith factor, in that faith group, and eventually we would become that way, We gave that example of Kakaji, that marriage part, Kakaji was faithful, Kakaji was saying, Yogiji Maharaj says, that means there is something in that, It has to work, right? We have to have that kind of elevated understanding that would elevate us to the higher and higher level. And that is this thing Gunatitanand Swami says, that we are here to all teach you. We are here to prepare you and make you elevated, So, it's close to 2 o'clock now. Vasudev, Hare, Bada Saras Jamiye. Today we have all these 4 ladies prepared and brought this food, right? Melanie, Emily, Anuaji, and America. Mexican delight. Okay? Sajanand Swami Maharaj ni Jai, Jai, Jai.